Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys some tips that will help you to use speed warp mode in DaVinci Resolve without any lag. First tip is that while running Resolve, make sure that there is nothing running on the background, only Resolve is running. And second tip is that create a new project to slow down the clip. Don't try to slow down the clip on your existing project. Just create a new project, put the clip that you want to slow down onto that project and slow down the clip, export it out and use that exported clip onto your project. By doing this, Resolve will have more resources for the speed warp compared to using the speed warp on an existing project. Third tip is that cut the clip so that only the portion that you want to slow down is on the timeline. By doing this, Resolve only need to focus on that small portion of the clip, improving your performance. Next tip is that after doing the speed warp, don't use render catch, as chances of Resolve slowing down due to render catch is very high. Use render in place. And if your system can handle the speed warp, you can use render catch. Next tip is that lower the resolution of the clip. If your footage is 4K, lower the resolution to 1080p. If it is 1080p, lower the resolution to 720p. Because by doing this, the amount Resolve need to process will become lower, so it will improve the Resolve's performance. As well as there is another thing, it will also improve the quality of speed warp. Here is a comparison of using speed warp on 4K footage and using speed warp on a downscale 1080p footage. By reducing the resolution, it won't affect the quality that much, but it will improve your performance by a lot. And another tip is that don't use color grade on the clip you are slowing down. Do the speed warp first, then export it, then only do the color grade. It will also improve the quality of your speed warp as well as the Resolve's performance, because you only need to process speed warp, you don't need to process the color grade. So it will improve the performance. And last tip is that don't use timeline proxy for the clip that you are using speed warp, because timeline proxy is like an background thing and we are not technically reducing the resolution of the clip. So Resolve may need to put a small portion of the resource for timeline proxy, affecting your speed warp performance. So don't use timeline proxy for the project you are using speed warp. So that's it. That's all about this video. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.